Amma's blessings are a prayer to our people. She created an island of kindness, empathy, and compassion, the pride of Sri Lankan. Ma, you are the epitome of strength.
Ammi, you are the most amazing person in my life, and I'm so grateful for your love, support you have given me. So I love you so much, Ammi, and happy Mother's Day. On this Mother's Day, I would like to wish Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers around the world.
දවසක් ප්‍රමාණවත් නොවුනත් අම්මා කියන්නේ මුළු ජීවිත කාලයක්ම සැමරිය යුතු කෙනෙක්. ඉතින් ආදරණීය අම්මේ, ලෝක අම්මාවරුන්ගේ දිනය වෙනුවෙන් IAC අපේ උණුසුම් සුබ පැතුම්.
Happy Mother's Day, Amma. You're the best mom in this world I have met in my life, and you are the most amazing person I know, and I'm so grateful for very happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to the woman who gave me life, love and endless strength. Your prayers truly have shaped my world, and I'm forever grateful for you. I love you more than anything today and always. Not only just for my mother and for all the mothers out there, Happy Mother's Day.
To all mothers, single mothers, grandmothers, aunts, sisters and other women in our lives that care for us and love us unconditionally. Happy Mother's Day to all. Love you so much.
Wishing you happy Mother's Day. And to all mothers out there who's doing amazing job, to wish you all mothers in happy Mother's Day.
අම්මලා කියන්නේ අපේ ශක්තිය. අම්මලා කියන්නේ අපේ ආශිර්වාදය. ඉතින් මුළු ජීවිත කාලය පුරාවටම මට ශක්තියක් වෙලා මගේ ළඟින්ම ඉන්න. මගේ ආදරණීය අම්මට සුබම සුබ මව්වරුන්ගේ දිනයක් වේවා.